I've had a request to make a demo video of how to set up the MyLocoSound sound card, so I thought, well, let's give it a try. At the moment this loco's not particularly well set up. As you can see, if I turn the speed knob, the sound doesn't start until the loco is well underway. So how do we adjust that? Well, it's quite simple with the remote control. You start turning the knob until the wheels start to turn, and then press the on-off button on the remote control. So now when I turn the speed knob, the sound starts at the same time as the wheels start moving. Now the other thing to do is to set the synchronization of the chuffs to the rotation of the wheels. Now, as it's a 4-cylinder locomotive, you should get 4 chuffs for every rotation of the wheel. And as you can see at the moment, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's slightly out. So to adjust the speed of the chuffs, we use the program up and down buttons. So I want to slow it down slightly. It's chuffing a bit too fast, so I can slow the chuffs down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, I need to speed them up a bit actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's as near as I'm going to get it. Always best to set the chuff at the lowest speed, because that's when you tend to notice it. When it's chuffing along at a great speed, you don't really notice as much. Now the other thing that needs setting is the load sensitivity. Now at the moment the setting is that when I'm chuffing along and I reduce the speed, the chuffs still continue, which isn't that realistic. So to set the load sensitivity, you use button 8. Now at the moment it's on setting 3, sensitivity 3. Press the button, I get 4 beeps, it's on sensitivity setting 4. It's now on sensitivity setting 5. It's now on sensitivity setting 1. So now when I accelerate, I get the chuffs as normal, but if I decelerate slightly, it goes into coasting mode. Accelerate again, and I get the chuffs. Decelerate and I coast. I can coast down to a gentle stop by decreasing the speed. Let's chuff up again. Now after a while the volume of the chuffs automatically decreases. Did you hear that? But if I increase the speed again, oh, I've decreased as well, I can increase the chuff volume. So if I'm coming to a hill and I want to get a bit more chuff, I can just turn the volume, well, the speed up, and the volume increases. Let's coast to a halt. After a while, if you leave it, the chuffs come back on automatically. After quite a while. Well, I do promise you they do. Anyway, let's coast down to a halt. And that's basically all there is to setting up the MyLocoSound card. It's not very complicated, it's just a question of remembering which button to press. But the buttons are listed on the back here if you get the Peter Sporer version, or they're in the instruction manual that you can download off the MyLocoSound website.